Today I want to share how to make these delicious 2-ingredient crepes with buckwheat flour. So they're naturally gluten-free, no eggs, no dairy, and they're great for a snack, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, savoury or sweet. So let's get mixing. So in my bowl here I'm going to add 1 cup of, this is a light buckwheat flour. And I'm going to add 2 cups of sparkling water. I have a soda stream, so I just sparkle that in the soda stream. This is a little bit chilled, but room temperature is probably best. And in the background I've got an ice cream truck making a noise. Now I'm just going to whisk that together so there's no lumps. And look how aerated that is. No baking powder, no baking soda, no eggs, nothing else added. We've got this wonderful, light and fluffy mixture. So before I start cooking, I usually let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I just get my hot plate ready and then start scooping it out. So we'll start cooking very soon. So I've let my batter sit too long, so I'm just going to add another splash of sparkling water. Didn't pour as nicely as I wanted it to. Often the first one you cook is often the dud. So my crepes are finished cooking and I've got 6 large crepes here. Now we're not going to eat them straight away. So if I want to reheat them for breakfast tomorrow, I either pop them in the microwave or I put them back on my fry pan for like 30 seconds on either side just to warm them up, or you can have them cold. Actually, because I've cooked 2 batches today, I might serve some with a curry tonight, so we can just break it up and have it on the side. If I don't eat them all, I'll pop them in the fridge in a sealed container, or I often put them in the freezer and they'll last up to 3 months. It might be just a good idea to separate them with a little bit of paper, so then if you want to bring out one at a time from the freezer you can. I hope you've enjoyed my 2-ingredient buckwheat crepe recipe. So simple, you get lots of bubbles because of the sparkling water. Don't forget, a link to the full recipe is down below in the description, and that'll take you over to my website savoury.com, where you have all my recipes. There's a few extra recipes there for my paid members and my non-paid members. I have a monthly newsletter that I send out to my members, and that just gives you a little bit of an update on what I'm doing. If you're new here today, don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like to donate, pop a little amount to PayPal. The link is below as well. And that just helps me buy ingredients, keep filming, and share more recipes with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.